is the title of your story?
A very, very busy spider.
Okay. Let me see nga.
Picturean ito.
Oh, done na. One,
Morning,
the wind
wind,
blew
blue,
a spider across the field and began to spin
in,
a web
web,
with her
her,
silky thread.
me,
Nay,
and
said
the horse. Want to ride,
we want to go
go
for
for a ride. The spider eating a very busy eating a web. Moo, 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 said the cow. Every this
one
one morning,
want to eat
eat some grass. The spider didn't answer. The spider very busy eating a web. Me, me, ma, ma, ma,
ba
ba, ba,
ba
ba.
bleated the
The sheep
want to run
ran
in
the
the
meadow.
meadows.
The spider didn't answer. The spider very, very busy spinning a web. Ma, me, me, me.
Said
The
the
goat
want to jump
on the rocks. The spider didn't answer. The
she was
very busy spinning a web. Oink, oink,
oink oink,
oink, said
said
the
the
pig.
pig. Want roll
All in the mud
the spider.
didn't answer.
She was
Very busy spinning a web.
poof,
Woof, 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 said
Bark.
the goat. Bark the dog.
one
Two things. A cow
the spider.
didn't answer.
She was
Very busy spinning a web.
cried
The cat.
want
Two things.
to take
A nap.
here.
The spider didn't answer.
She was
Very busy spinning a web. Quack, quack. One,
cold
the duck.
want to go for
Asleep. The spider didn't answer.
she was
Very busy spinning a web.
cook cook-a-doodle-doo.
You can do.
Yes po. Crowd
Called the chicken.
want
Go
to catch a pesty
fly.
and the spider caught
Best is
fly in her
the web.
just
Like this.
like that.
Said the
Ask
owl.
who built this?
This beautiful web.
The spider
Did in a hill.
She had
Early
fallen.
and down
She had fallen
down
to sleep. It's been
in
a very
this
day.
a
Done. And sleep